it's Malika. I am back with another tutorial. It's been a minute, no pun intended, but I am back. I've been on mommy duty for the past few months, which I've been loving. Grayson is amazing. Oh, he's so sweet. Oh my gosh. I've been on mommy duty for the past few months, but I'm so happy to be back on YouTube and giving you guys all the glam. So yeah, today we're going to be diving into the matte book by Crayon Case. And it's a palette that I've been wanting to try for the longest now, and a brand that I've been wanting to try for the longest. I kind of gave it a little bit of time to see like what the reviews would be like and how people would love it or not love it. So yeah, I finally got my hands on it, and today we're going to do a review and a tutorial on this look I have on today. So yeah, stay tuned, and I'm not going to keep talking because I know you guys want to see how I feel and how I got this look. So yeah, I'm happy to be back. Oh yeah. Okay, so today we're just going to be doing eyes, and I've already done my brows, and I've applied concealer to my lid as an eyeshadow base. And I'm going to go ahead and set my lid. I'll be using the Chalk Dust Loose Powder by Crayon Case, and this is in the color A. It's like a deep brown. It looks like, doesn't look that deep on camera, but it's pretty deep. It's like a nudie brown, almost a little bit deeper than the concealer on my eyelid. So I'm gonna go ahead and tap that and make sure it's all buffed in really good, because I don't want any lines on my eyelid, because I don't want the powder to set in those lines. Okay, so I'm gonna dip my sponge inside of the powder, and I'm gonna tap it on my lid and get it pressed into the lid really good. This sponge came from Crayon Case as well. And before damping it with water, it was a little bit smaller than this. I thought it was going to be way smaller than what it is now. But once you wet it, it gets really fat, which I like. Okay, now that we have that done, I'm going to move along to the matte book. Now, I've already used it because I did a tutorial and lost the footage. I apologize for that again. So we're going to do a round two. I've got a chance to play with the matte book, and so far I'm okay with it. Like, I haven't had a chance to use all of the colors in the palette, but the colors that I have used I am okay with. They're okay. This color at the top, you can see it's already hitting pan, and I haven't had it for not even a week yet. So yeah, it's already hitting pan. And another thing with this particular eyeshadow, it's not that pigmented and it falls out a lot. So I'm guessing why it's hitting pan so quickly, because it's so much fallout. Even inside of the pan, it falls out. When I swish my brush in it, it just falls out. So I'm guessing that's why it's already hitting pan. I don't know about the other shades as far as pigmentation goes, but I'm gonna play with the colorful shadows today, some of them, so we'll see how pigmented they are. Colors can be sort of kind of a hit and miss. On Instagram they look really amazing, but we're gonna see right now what they're working with. So the first shade I'm gonna take is this one down here. The palette doesn't have names under the eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna point to the color I'm gonna use. I'm going to be using this shade, and I'm going to take my, what brush is this? It's the Morphe E27 brush. I'm just going to place it in the crease of my eyelid, and I'm going to go back and forth in windshield wiping motion. And I'm going for like a smoky eye look today using a color. So yeah, usually when I do a color on my lid or colors on my lid, it's always like a smoky eye look using one color. I don't like to use multiple colors on my lid because I have places to go and I don't want to be like having all these colors on my lid with no event, you know, particularly pertaining to the eye look I'm doing. So I don't like to do really dramatic colorful looks because I have like to go to my son's school and to the grocery store and normal stuff. So I don't really do a lot of multicolor eyeshadow looks. So the next shade I'm gonna take is right above it. It's right here. It's like a almost like a tangerine, not tangerine, but what's that fruit? My mom loves them. It's on the tip of my tongue. It's that big orange. It looks like an orange on the outside, but when you open it, it's like red, pinky red. Oh, what is it called? Y'all know what I'm talking about. I bet y'all know what I'm talking about. I hate when I have a brain freeze. Anyway, I'm going to put that color in the crease as well because I want to deepen it up just a little bit more, that first shade. So I'm going to add this deeper shade right on top of it and buff it up. But so far the colors are super pigmented in the palette, and this eyeshadow base is working with it, not against it, which I'm loving. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face makeup off camera, and then I'll come back and complete the rest of this eye look. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now that I have the rest of my face completed, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my eyes. I'm gonna be taking the deepest color that we used on the lid, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna take a pencil brush from the Crayon Case collection. It came with 7 other brushes in a set. And it's a pencil brush and it looks like a pencil. And I'm just gonna take that color and I'm gonna drag it on my lower lash line. And I'm just gonna go halfway. I'm not gonna go all the way to the inner corner, just halfway. Now with that same brush, I'm gonna put a little bit of inner corner highlight on my eyes using the Anastasia Time Resi highlighter compact. I'm gonna take that same exact brush, I cleaned it off, and I'm gonna pop it right in the inner corner for a little bit of glow. Now I'm going to apply some false lashes. These are from Kelux LLC on Instagram. They're 24 millimeter mink lash. I'm going to be using my fingers to apply them because I'm savage like that. So is this the right one? I don't know. Nope. Wait. Well, they're both the same on each end. I'm going to pop that right there, as close to the lash line as you could possibly get, queen. And once you've placed it on there, make sure you squeeze your lash with the falsie so that they will melt together and look like one. So now that we have that on comfortably, hopefully, just gonna press it up like so. Get it out your way, out your eyesight, so that you can see the road. You don't want to wreck. Okay, queens, that completes our look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed it. I'm so sorry that I got this tutorial out to you guys late. I did not know my camera was going to delete my footage, but it happens, okay? But as far as the Matte Book palette by Crayon Case goes, I do like it. I can't say yet if I love it because I haven't tried all of the colors out yet. I can't wait to try out these purples at the top. It's gonna be another smoky eye look probably. But yeah, I do like the palette so far. As far as like the colors go, they are super pigmented, but they will fall out like into the pan and onto your face. This color at the top right here is really flaky. I don't know if it's because it's a dark brown or if they're all gonna be like that. I hate that it's already hitting pan. I haven't even had the palette for a good week yet, but I do like it so far. I just have to play with it a little bit more. If you want to see more looks using this palette, please let me know down in the comment box, and I will post more looks on my Instagram page with the palette, because it is summertime and colors are in. So I will be using the palette a little bit more often. I will definitely be using them on my clients, because my clients love like colorful looks and they love the crayon case. So yeah, I also use the crayon case loose powder on my face. If you want to see how that works on camera, let me know again down in the comment box below, and I'll do a foundation routine for you queens. I also have been using a new foundation which I love so much. If you guys want to know what it is, let me know again down in the comment box below. I have so much in store for you queens, so much to show you guys. I'm excited. So yeah, I apologize for the way overdue tutorial. Again, I did not know my camera was gonna lose footage, but yeah, here I am. I'm so happy to be back, and let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see some hair reviews, some hair tutorials, some more makeup tutorials, foundation routines, 15-minute makeup routines, anything, just let me know. I'm here. I'm your girl. So yeah, I will see you queens next time. I enjoyed you.